This is 70mm cap liner automatic insertion assembly system. Liner packaging machine. Specifically engineered to integrate with custom-made 70mm cap mold. The 6-station synchronized system delivers consistent high-speed output of 4,500 units per hour. Siemens, Schneider, Inovance, Mitsubishi critical components, enabling 24/7 uninterrupted operation. 1. Smart feeding. Integrated automatic feeding ensures precise separation, orientation, and transfer of both liners and caps. 2. Precision insertion. The core assembly unit guarantees damage-free, millimeter-accurate embedding of 67mm large diameter liners. 3. Real-time QC. Continuous inline inspection monitors liner integrity, positioning accuracy, and sealing flatness. 4. Intelligent sorting. A pneumatic diverter automatically receives qualified products while rejecting defective units. ZDTECH, your expert in rigid plastic packaging. Contact and find efficient, stable, and intelligent cap liner assembly solution at ZDTECH.